What's up y'all, my name is Cruella White. I'm here to tell you about the phases of the moon. Alright. The moon is very interesting in its own ways, you see. It has a dark side, it is almost 1/4 the size of the Earth, and it has the same composition that the Earth has, but that is just a few. You may think that the moon has only one form, but it ain't. It actually has 8 phases. The phases are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. Let me break this down for y'all. Waning and waxing are two different things. When they say waning, it means going away, and when it says waxing, it means coming into view. Examples are waning gibbous and waxing gibbous. As you notice, there are other words when it says first, as in first quarter, it actually means waxing, and when it says last, as in last quarter, it means waning. We gonna start off with the new moon. A new moon is when the moon can't be seen because of the sun. After the new moon, you'll see a little bit of the moon that looks like a banana, which is called the waxing crescent. After waxing crescent, it is the first quarter moon. It is called the first quarter moon because we only see half of the moon, and half of half if is a quarter. You only see 1/2 of the moon because the other side is not visible from Earth. After the first quarter moon comes the waxing gibbous, where it is almost full but a little bit is missing. Then comes the full moon. It is kind of self-explanatory, it is full. After the full moon is the waning gibbous. It is just like the waxing gibbous, but now it is going away. After the waning gibbous is the last quarter, and after that it is the waning crescent. Last but not least is the new moon. That is when you cannot see the moon is dark. Then the whole process starts over again. It takes about 1 month to complete this cycle. Moons cause different things like lunar and solar eclipses. A lunar eclipse happens when the moon and the sun are on opposite sides of the Earth. It is a full moon when a lunar eclipse occurs. The moon looks red during a lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon is in the middle of the Earth and the sun. It is a new moon when a solar eclipse occurs. It can only be seen in that area. When you observe a solar eclipse, you have to wear glasses because the sun's rays can cause permanent damage to your eyes. You should learn more about the moon. It might surprise you what you find. You should look outside tonight and see if you can tell what phase of the moon it is. Hola.